Okay, so I did do a mini thrift haul also. I got these two blow mold. Hey, Bolo buddies, thanks for watching. Full-time reseller. All right, let's get started. Bunnies, they're probably around 12 or 15 inches. I'm gonna say probably with that ear 15 inches. They do work. I think they are identical. This little guy is dated on the bottom 1968. Look at his little eyelashes. Somebody probably just handmade this, but I just thought with Easter coming that it was so adorable. So I'm gonna try it. I am not sure if that says Atlantic mold or not. I'll have to try and do a little research. I was thinking that this cat was something, Joy Cats. It's just a spoon rest. It may be a want, but I had to grab it. This I got for myself because it says bless this mess. And I feel like my house is always a mess with inventory. So, I got that for me for when I never cook to sit my spoon on. I got this. I don't know if it's anything. I just thought it was cute. And then these earrings, I don't know. It was $1.25. I don't think there's any markings on the back of that, but I don't know. I thought maybe somebody would like it, so we'll see. This I thought was adorable. I didn't see any markings, but I didn't take it off the back, but it was $2. Again, I just thought it was a really cool elephant with some jewels, so I went ahead and took a chance on that. I got some Easter items. I got these little guys that you wind up and they hop around, so we'll see if they work. It was $1 for both. This is another Easter item. It's not marked. I don't know if it's anything or not, but it's $2. Now, this was $3.50 for all the toys in here. This has a Paw Patrol vehicle, and this is Blaze and the Monster Machine. And then this guy's Toy Story. I think he's missing like the globe that goes over his head. But really I got it for this and this. It'll be bread and butter. I won't make a ton of money. I'll look this up, but it's got some things you push, but it feels cheap. I don't know what this Jeep is. I can look it up. Sometimes those things surprise you, but it looks like it might be missing something. I did pick up this Monopoly game. It may be a miss. I did have a coupon, so I did not pay $15.99 for it. It is sealed, and I just sold a Monopoly game on, what's it called? Mercari for $40. So I thought I would take a chance. And then this one, the same thing. It was a fresh sale in my head, and I'm like, sealed Monopoly games. This one was $8.99. I got it on sale also. This is the 80th anniversary edition. So I don't know. It may be a miss, but overall, I think I did pretty good. So that is my thrift haul for the day. And then I got those 3 mystery boxes, which I'll show you also. Right, $7.99 mystery toy box. I went in and they had 3 toy boxes today. Let's see if we got any goodies. Okay, looks like we got some big stuff in here. This looks like a cheap set, but it is new in the package, so I might be able to do something with that. This is a suction cup storybook. I can look it up. Maybe just sell the suction cups. This is a spelling game, floor puzzle, Noah's Ark. I might check that one. That one might do okay, but I'll have to put it together. Don't drop your marbles. A lot of this is gonna get donated back. This is a Mega Blocks, but it's not in good condition. What is this little guy? Fairyland Friends. Ryan's Room. Huh. I can look that up. These are, oh goodness, I can't think of what these guys are called. They're called something. I've sold them before. I can't think of what they're called. This guy might do okay. He's is he a Mighty Ducks toy? It's very, very windy and cold. I don't know who that guy is. He's got two heads. Toy Story guy. Some baby toys. This is all, man, that's a bummer because that's Blue's Clues. And that stuff typically does good. I don't think I can get that pin off. Maybe I can look. This is something. Yeah, this box is, I mean, there's crayon on that. This is Mega Blocks. I think these go on here. And that sweeper I'll donate. This is a, it's a VTech. I might look up that school bus. I should be able to make my money back in a little bit on this box. Not too bad. Okay, this is a mystery toy box, $6.99. Oh, I cannot think of what those characters were. And they're Fisher Price something, I think. All right, let's see what we got here. This is a hex bug stem something. It looks like it might be still sealed, but the box is ripped. But I will definitely look that up. We have a big plastic dino. It's Toy Smith. Never heard of that. And it's got writing on it. This looks like it all came from the same person donating it, and they let their kids draw on everything. Here's a Wonder Woman. Might be able to put her in a box. Count Your Chickens. Looks like a game. Matching game. Not much value in those. LOL game. Again, I don't really mess with games. I may look and see if there's any figures in it, but instant brain teasing puzzles. This box has been kind of no good. Learn to letter. Paper. Looks like a bunch of books and coloring books. Super Monsters Trouble and Vampirina. So this box was a dud in my opinion. What do you guys think? Okay, so this one's a little different. This is taped to the top, so it is a little dirty. I don't know if I'll mess with it. I'm guessing it might be, kind of looks like the colors of LPS, Little Pet Shop, but I could be wrong. So let's open it up and see what's inside. All right, so this is the box. Ooh, Little Pet Shop, you guys. That's good. There's some pets in there. I don't know if there's anything good or not, but we can definitely check it out. Ooh, this has stuff in it. I wonder what's inside. Oh, some sort of, looks like PJ Masks, Jenga. We have a Minion. We might try to sell him. We have another Pet Shop. I don't really like selling the big play sets, but if it's complete, I might. So this is a lot of Pet Shop stuff, which is good if you like selling play sets. I might do it just because there's all this other stuff. So this is a more Pet Shops. That could be good or it could be bad. There's a little slide. Oh, look how cute those are. I don't know what this is, but I'm definitely going to look it up. It's got like, looks like magnets. So if these are little, I'll do the little play sets. I just don't like the big ones. Oh, look at this John Deere tractor. These look like maybe a teacher had it because those look like lesson sheets. More lesson sheets. Whoa, what are these? Fashion Angels Makeup and Hair Sketch Portfolio. I don't know. I'll have to look into these, but there's quite a few of them. Have to see what that is. And then that looks like pet shop, so that could be interesting. And these look like pet shop toys. Pet shop toys. So yeah, this could be promising. I think I can make a little money on this, and it's toys. You guys know I love toys. This isn't too big. I could probably ship that. It looks like it's got the little thing on the top. It looks like all the stuff's there. So yeah, I'm pretty excited to dig into this box and check it out. Okay, so I have two of the bunnies. I've got them at $55. Buyer pays shipping, and I have it on best offer. The sale has not gone into effect yet. The Monopoly game is already 20% off, so I have it listed for $24. Buyer pays shipping. The next item is this Blaze and the Monster Machine Zeg Slam and Go toy. I've got it at $16. Buyer pays shipping. And all of my items have best offer. I do have some items going with auction style because I'm just not sure about. I couldn't find this cat anywhere. So I'm starting this at $14.99 plus shipping. This I'm also starting auction style at $19.99. The buyer will pay shipping, but it is an auction style listing. This elephant, I'm not sure if this is too high, but I think it's super, super cute. And I've got this listed at $14.99 auction style. This super cute vintage bunny, it's an Atlantic mold, and I have it listed at $24. Best offer, buyer pays shipping. Another really cute Easter item, this is a bunny figurine. I've got this at $24 plus shipping with the best offer option. And then these cute little chicks, you wind them up and they hop around. I've got these at $8 and the buyer pays shipping or best offer. Be sure to check out the description of the video. Like, comment, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.